So, how many of you guys do business online? All right, everyone wants to get leads, and I use this as a tool. Okay, I do have a business outside of the internet world, which is my crochet. So, but I also teach crochet. I do sell products and courses online, and I do expose myself. I do have a blog site. I do have a YouTube channel for my crochet business. But other than that, I help people make money online with their business tools. Okay, so this video, I'm going to talk about that you can get 100 leads every day. And joining my lead gen secret is legit. Okay, there's no, you can make it happen for you. This software works, this app works for you as long as you stay consistent. Now, a lot of people want to start online. They think they're going to have a get rich, you know, you just invest and then you don't do anything, you don't take any action, you're not going to get anywhere. You have to take action. You have to do your part if you want to grow a business. So my lead gen secret will help you. Okay, and every business start up with the cost. You have promo tools. You can join my lead gen secret and watch my other video I did a long time ago with my lead gen secret, and I'm going to share with you the compensation plan with you. All right, so I'm going to stop right now and check out my other video in the next video right now. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Hey guys, this is Coach Laudiaann, and I'm here making another video with my lead gen secret. I'm going to talk about the compensation plan of how you can make money residual here with using this generation lead system. Okay, now the my lead gen secret compensation plan gives you unlimited earning potential. Earn commission by selling my lead gen secret memberships and master swipes to customers. The my lead gen secret compensation plan allows affiliates to achieve the highest level of payment fast. Now this is great, guys, because you get a big residual income here if you actually grow your my lead gen secret. And I really love this program a lot because I'm generating lots of leads now. Instead of 100 leads a day, I now do get 200 leads a day. And I've only been in this program for about a week and a half, and so I now have 2,000 business opportunity leads, people that are wanting to do something online, or they want to start a business, or they need help with their business. This is the program that will help you grow and establish and become successful. All right, there's ways how to make money here. So I'm going to explain to you how you earn money. You will receive $5 on a personal membership sale. So that's one recruit. If we recruit one person, you will receive $5. Okay. Now, if this person who now pays $30 a month recruits under their sale, all right, you will actually get paid on level 2 with their first recruit. You'll receive $4. Okay. So if they recruit another person, you will receive $3. They recruit another person, you will receive $2. You recruit another person, you will receive $1. So it goes 5 levels deep. Okay, 5 levels deep with one person, one recruit, and they recruit 5 people under their, their affiliate link. You'll actually get $15
for just that one person that you have recruited. So, and what's great about it, this is residual, okay? So can you imagine if you recruited 5 more other people and they upgraded? Okay, so you times the 15 times 5. Wow, that's like over $100, right? So that's one way that you can get paid here, residual. All right. Another way is you can get paid here is um, when whenever someone upgrades and they decide to buy the master swipes. Okay, the master swipes is the affiliate program where you pay the $29.95. Now that's what I paid. Uh, Now whenever somebody under your link signs up with the master swipe, you get five paid 5 levels deep too as well. It's the same thing. You'll receive $5. Okay, the next level, $4, $3, $2, $1. So it's the same. So 5 recruits under your affiliate link with $29.95, you'll get an additional $15. Okay. Now this one, sometimes they change the membership. It's the same thing. Okay, the master swipes come with 30 emails. All right, so some people pay the $59.95. So if you came in and paid the $59.95, then this is your 5 levels deep: 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. Okay. Now, another way that you can get paid here, here says, note, commissions will be accumulated until it reaches the amount of $30, at which time they will be paid upon your request. Commissions will be paid by PayPal or a check or Bitcoin coin. So it depends. All right. You also get a weekly superstar bonus here. Okay, so if you recruit and refer 5 people within that week of 7 days, you will receive $100 cash bonus. All right. With an unlimited number of $100 bonuses each week by simply referring 5 new confirmed member sales in within the 7-day period. Now, if you recruited more than 5, maybe perhaps you recruited 10 people. Wow, that's $200 right there, right? Here, 25 new paid customers in 1 week, you will earn $500. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This program actually pays you. Get excited, guys. Earn that bonus leads. Double your leads from $100. Recruit 1 person, it becomes 200 leads per day for life by simply referring 1 confirmed member. All right, guys. I hope you guys understand the compensation plan here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you consider liking more videos, go ahead and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. And this program does work. It really does. You can hear it from other people, but those people work their business, and that's why they take action. Here's a little bit of commission I have here, because I do other businesses online, but you can make money here.